Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to track changes in OneNote for Windows 10. This is an incredibly useful feature when you're collaborating with others or simply want to review what's been modified in your notebooks over time. Let's jump right in and explore how to do this. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Make sure you're working with the notebook where you want to track changes. This initial step is important because you need to have your workspace ready before accessing the tracking features. Once your notebook has been loaded, we're going to navigate to where all the change tracking magic happens. Head to your History tab, which is located on the top part of your screen where all your menus and tools are situated. This tab might not be something you use every day, but it's incredibly powerful for monitoring edits and modifications. Go ahead and click on History to reveal more options. From the History menu, you'll see several ways to track changes made to your notebook. The key feature we're focusing on is the Recent Edits dropdown. Click on Recent Edits, and you'll be presented with options that let you filter changes based on recent days. This is where OneNote really shines because it organizes modifications chronologically, making it easy to pinpoint exactly when changes occurred. You'll see options like today, yesterday, the last 7 days, and more. Click on any of the listed options that correspond to the date range you wish to track changes for. This flexibility allows you to narrow down your search whether you're looking for something from this morning or from last week. Once you make your selection, you'll notice a right side panel appear. This panel is your detailed changelog, giving you a comprehensive list of pages along with the dates they were modified. This visual representation makes it straightforward to identify which pages have been updated and when those updates took place. By using this feature regularly, you can stay on top of collaborative edits, review your own work patterns, and ensure nothing important slips through the cracks. It's particularly valuable in team environments where multiple people are contributing to the same notebook. And there you have it. You've now learned how to effectively track changes in OneNote for Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.